Hello Zila and Alex, this is Sarah. I'm going to show you how to get into WordPress and start adding content to your pages, and then how to get into Constant Contacts and access your distribution lists. So this is WordPress. I sent you your credentials, so go ahead and log in. WordPress will put you at the dashboard. You guys are familiar with it, but we'll go through it real quick. The dashboard will be on the left menu column. Most of the menus will be on the left. You'll come down to Pages, click on Pages, and because we have quite a few pages going, you're going to go to the second page because Yoga London starts with a Y. And per your name, you're going to click on your page. Normally in WordPress you would add content right into this page. However, because we have the tool Thrive Architect, we're going to have you click on this button to launch that tool, and here's where you will be able to add content and have many more design elements that you can contribute. We have a different kind of menu set up. You'll have a blank menu at the moment when you open it. However, you will have a better menu on the right side to add elements. So the plus sign, you can add your elements, text boxes, images, buttons, columns, and change layout and just simply what you want the page to capture. And the next one is to change the template. We're not going to have you quite look at that one yet. We're going to have you just add content, and then as a team we'll come back and revisit the layout, the design, and how it's cohesive with the rest of the pages that we're going to be building out. For now, you have your Yoga London splashed at the top. Scroll down and there's simply a content box, one column. We can always add more. We can build to the side, we can build down. You guys are familiar with how to build the pages. So for now we want your content to land here. You can always add an image. Come over here to add the element, image. It'll open this menu, and we have a very small library at the moment. You can upload files. So if you have a certain photograph that you like, we can look at it and see how we can either get the rights to that photo or find a similar one that we do have the rights to. We'll go ahead and skip this. We'll close that out. But this is the idea. You have your column, your heading, your text box, and eventually we'll have the buttons activated. This is what a typical button looks like thus far. Again, we're just beginning to put a design together. There's no set in stone designs quite yet, but as a team we'll build that so that it comes together. If you'll notice, when I click on the heading, when I click inside of an existing element on the page, that's when our left menu options appear. You can scroll. The triangle means that you can drop down this menu in particular, and each of these will have details according to what element you are clicked in. Notice the breadcrumbs at the top help you understand exactly where you are on the page. If I click inside here, somewhere in here, I'm going to see that there's a text box sitting inside of a content box, sitting inside of a column. This is a single column page at the moment, sitting inside another column box because there were multiple columns at one point, sitting inside another content box that's sitting on the background section. The background section is the Yoga London that's very subtly watermarked in the background. So you'll have your images here, image, content box, etc., header, text, content box, etc. So pretty basic design, very simple layout at the moment. Play with it, add your content, and let's see where it comes together. We'll probably be reviewing pages frequently so that as we build, we're doing it as a team. Alright, so this is your WordPress page that you'll build into. As you make changes, go ahead and come down here and click Save Work, and it'll confirm with the box in the center. And at this point you would just close, because this is the second tab that WordPress opened. This is your page. So again, it lands at the dashboard. You come down to Pages. Yoga London alphabetically is in the second page, and you have per your name which one you can click on. At the moment they're exactly the same because we want to have a uniform starting point. You'll click Launch Thrive Architect, and that's where you'll start adding your content. Okay, so we're going to go and switch over to Constant Contact. We have one account at the moment, so we're going to have everyone log in under the same. The username is Theo Allen. The password is Idaho Falls, capital I, capital F, no spaces, with an S at the end, and then the year 2018, 2018. We'll click Login. Just in case you guys aren't familiar with the Constant Contact layout, we're going to see in the top menu bar, once it loads, we're going to see... there we go. It finished loading. Give it a moment. The contacts in the top menu tab, it'll open. You'll come down to the left menu column. Scroll down a little bit farther to email lists. And you'll see Alex is here. I am here. And Zila's here, again alphabetically. This is where you can come in and edit and play with yours. At the moment I don't have any. When I click on it, it should appear no contacts. So this is where you'll start collecting your contacts, adding manually at this point until we have pages that can link to Constant Contact. So we know how to get those connected, we just need to build it out, right? That's what we've got. If you need any details, let me know. We'll add more content in either video or email form. Okay? Thank you.